Hello and welcome to our channel. China's DeepSeek has released an update to its R1 reasoning model. This model is competing with US rivals such as OpenAI. This new model is called DeepSeek-R1-0528 Free. You can create an account and try this model for free. This is the home page of DeepSeek-R1-0528 Free model. Here you will find a link to go to the chat. There is no much information about this model. So this is the overview of the model. You can go to the chat by clicking here, clicking on the chat button. So click on chat button. After login, you will see this interface. In this first tutorial, I am going to ask simple question: how to learn programming as a beginner. And then click on this button. Now this model is thinking. This model is a reasoning model, so it takes some time in thinking. So this is the reasoning part of the model, and now the output is coming. So it is saying learn JavaScript, Python, HTML, CSS. So all these technologies are required to become a programmer. It's about Python, then JavaScript, web development, practice exercises link. So we got the output from the model. In future videos, I will provide you more detail about this model. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.